How to use a fire extinguisher. It's easy to remember how to use a fire extinguisher if you can remember the acronym PASS, which stands for pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Pull the pin. This will allow you to discharge the extinguisher. Aim at the base of the fire. If you aim at the flames, which is frequently the temptation, the extinguishing agent will fly right through and do no good. You want to hit the fuel. Squeeze the top handle or lever. This depresses a button that releases the pressurized extinguishing agent in the extinguisher. Sweep from side to side until the fire is completely out. Start using the extinguisher from a safe distance away, then move forward. Once the fire is out, keep an eye on the area in case it reignites.